Okay. I don't know why he's in front of me. You didn't meet with the prosecutor yet?
No, sir. I did some of the prosecutor. She sent it back out.
That's okay, no worries. I arraigned you already on November 5th on all these, right?
Yes, sir.
The open intox and the no ops, right?
Yes, sir.
What starts as a routine court docket quickly turns into a revealing look at how justice actually plays out in real time. From defendants scrambling for lawyers, to missed court dates, financial consequences, and a dangerously high DUI breath result, this courtroom sees it all. Watch closely, because every answer matters here. Every excuse is tested, and one wrong move could mean fines, jail time, or worse. Stay tuned because these cases escalate fast.
My mistake. No worries. And I gave you a personal bond. All right, go ahead and talk to the prosecutor. Did I give you a lawyer? Did you apply for a lawyer?
I was going to get myself a lawyer, but all the plans ended up falling through, and it didn't happen. I was going to ask if it was okay if I could get a lawyer, sir.
Well, where do you work at?
So right now, I'm an employee, but I'm working with the temp agency, Express, and
I have to make sure you don't have the money to hire a lawyer.
okay.
Do you have the money to hire a lawyer? I can't just give free lawyers.
Yeah.
You're entitled to a lawyer at the arraignment. After that, it has to be based on indigency. So we're already arraigned, right? Did I arraign you?
Yes.
Okay.
So if I could apply for the prosecutor, that'd be.
Well, wait a minute, just let's slow down. How much were you earning?
About 800 a week.
Do you have any kids?
No, sir.
Married?
No, sir.
You have rent?
No, sir.
Live with your parents?
Yes, sir.
Smart. I'll save you a few bucks. If you want to apply for a court-appointed lawyer, I'll look at it. I'm not making any promises. If you want to waive your right to a lawyer and go talk to the prosecutor, you can do that. It's up to you. If you want to apply, he'll give you a court-appointed petition. I'll look at it now. Okay?
Okay.
And if not, if you decide not to, then you go talk to the prosecutor. All right? Okay, thank you. Tell them if you want a court-appointed petition. Thank you. People against Mex. Darian Marquise Mex, 25B1493588 A and B. Your name again? Your name, sir?
Gary Mex.
What's going on, Mr. Mex?
How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. You need an additional adjournment, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry.
That's okay. That's fine. We'll adjourn the pre-trial for you. What do I have next, Lisa?
2 weeks.
Yeah,
December 3rd at 9:30.
okay.
Sounds good.
December 3rd at 9:30. Any questions?
Oh, no, Your Honor.
You can go down the hall, sir, and get your notice. You're a nice young man, too. Your mother and father taught you well.
Maybe I appreciate it.
Have a good day. Good luck. Jacob Levon, Ron. Oh, you got another one?
Yes.
What are you doing? You want to fill up the coffers here at the 33rd? So you got an impeding traffic. You posted a bond after you didn't show up. Why are you playing games with us? You were supposed to take care of this a year ago.
I'm just busy. It's work.
Biz, you're making so much money, you won't have any problem to pay all the money that I'm going to fine you then. If you're so busy working that you can't come to court, you must be loaded. What's that?
It slipped my mind.
Slipped my mind. You know the title of my book? Don't tell the judge I forgot, right? I'm just telling you. What other excuse you want to move on to?
No, it's,
Do you want me just to post, you want to just apply the bonds?
yeah.
Let me just double check that it's in your name here. I don't see the receipt right now. Did-
Oh,
His name.
It's in his name?
Yep, 237 cash.
Where do you work at?
I'm right now working for MLS Construction and Method of Innovation, but he boss.
Why didn't you show up here for all this time? I'm serious. You got to use your brain, son. I'll reduce your fines for you, okay? Reduce fines to $195. So we'll send you some money back. You go down and sign the bond over and they're gonna refund $42 to you, okay? I probably shouldn't have done that. Don't tell anybody. Good luck. Stay out of here now. I don't want to see you again, okay? Shakira Nicole Lindsay, 25B 1495778 and B. Good morning.
Good morning, I'm pleased to sound before Joseph Humphrey on behalf of Ms. Lindsay, Chief of Pros and Volume at this meeting.
Good morning to you, Mr. Humphrey. Ma'am, your name? For purposes of arraignment, does she stand mute, waive formal reading?
Yes, Your Honor.
So what do we got? A super drunk, we got an expired license, and then we have, that's it, right? Is that it?
Yes, Your Honor.
2 charges. And what's the prosecutor going to do? They're going to offer impaired and distracted driving. But first of all, she stands mute on all of these charges, right?
That's correct, Your Honor.
So she's going to plead to the distracted on the drive while license expired. And that drive while license expired will be dismissed, and she's going to plead to operating while impaired with the super drunk to be dismissed. True?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
How high was the breathalyzer blood result?
It was 2.4, I believe. 0.24.
I get it, but it's quite high. Right?
Yeah.
All right, if you plead to impaired driving, the possible penalties are up to 300 fines, 93 days jail, 360 hours community service, court costs are all those 4 points. License suspension, revocation in accordance with your record, and your vehicle could be or might have to be immobilized depending upon your record. That is the possible penalties on the impaired charge. I'll then dismiss. Once you plead to that charge and you plead to distracted driving, which is a civil infraction, I'm going to dismiss the super drunk, which is punishable by up to 6 months. Your lawyer did a good job on that. And the expired license, which is a 90-day misdemeanor. Do you understand that? You agree to that? And did you sign, read, and understand the advice and rights? If you plead guilty, you will be giving up all those rights, and we are not going to have a trial of any kind. You understand that? Any questions before we go on? To the charge operating while visibly impaired, how do you wish to plead? On October 26th, it looks like, 2025 at 9:05 p.m., were you operating a motor vehicle on Dixner I-75 in Brownstown Township?
Yes,
Prior to operating that motor vehicle, did you consume alcohol? And if so, what did you drink and how much?
yes, 3 cocktails and some,
What kind of got this?
it looks like mixed drinks like slushy from crab and karaoke,
How many drinks did you have?
3 of those.
And what else?
And then after I left, I had probably like some shots.
What do you mean probably like? Do you remember?
I don't remember how many.
This was only October 26th. It was
Yes.
3 weeks ago.
Not.
How many other drinks did you have and what were they?
I had like some, like probably like 4 shots and some
Of what?
tequila,
What else?
2 cocktails and
What kind of cocktails?
lemon drops.
This is on top of the slushy drinks you were talking about
Yes, sir.
before?
And I
Okay,
hadn't eaten anything.
okay, what else did you drink?
That's it.
And was your ability to operate the motor vehicle impaired because of that alcohol consumption?
Yes.
Why were you pulled over by the police?
He said because I was driving too slow.
How fast were you going?
35,
In a,
50, I was lost.
ah, so he pulls you over. He administers a breath test, a PBT, right? And then you're transported to the police station. Is that what happened after you were arrested?
Yes, sir.
And did you take the intoxilizer, the breath test?
Yes,
And counsel, you stipulate that the results were 0.24 for purposes of the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you on probation or parole?
no,
Ever had another one of these?
No.
To the charge distracted driving, how do you plead?
guilty,
Responsible?
yes,
I'll accept your plea to operating while impaired. I'll accept your plea to the civil infraction charge of distracted driving, dismiss the super drunk, dismiss the drive while license expired, refer you for a screening and assessment. That's pretty high though, young lady. Where does your client work at?
She's a stay-at-home mom. Yeah, she had a child with special needs that she cared for. And she educates that child, and she has another child that's well in high school that she also cares for as well too. And she is very remorseful, Yana. She does understand that this was a great mistake on her part, and I don't believe, that the court will have to see her again after this.
All right, I got it. No alcohol. So I'm gonna give you $1,000 personal bond. You don't have to post any money. But I do want you going to AANA in person at least 2 times a week, okay? You have to go in person. We're gonna hand you a form. Every time you go, you have to have the form signed. Every time you come to court, you have to bring the form with you. No alcohol, no marijuana, no illegal drugs. You're not to purchase, possess, or consume any one of those. AANA twice a week. You cannot leave the state without consent or violate a law. And you must appear in court as directed. Do you understand all that, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Humphrey, anything else?
I believe that is complete, Your Honor.
We're gonna-
Yeah, I'm sentencing date.
Yeah, we're gonna give you the sentencing date right now. And then you just double check your calendar. What do you have for me, Lisa?
December 3rd at 8:30.
Is that good?
Just get my phone.
Take your time.
Yeah, that's fine. I can make it.
Okay, December 3rd at 8:30. So you painted her a form, John?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am, go down the hall, get your notice, and then go across the hall to probation, where you're gonna fill out a questionnaire and be interviewed. I have to order that, a screening and assessment. So you'll fill out a questionnaire, you'll be interviewed by probation, and then you'll come back for sentencing on that date that I gave you, December 3rd, with your lawyer. You'll have a chance to review the report and recommendation with your lawyer, and we'll go from there, okay? All right? You're welcome. You're smiling. That's good. Good luck to you, Miller.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Nice to have you here.
Yeah, nice to see you again.
It's been a while, hasn't it?
Yes, sir.
All right, take care. Your name? You should have been a lawyer. Look at you. You got this pled to distracted driving, right? To the charge distracted driving, how do you plead? Responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a supervisor at the Blue in restaurant.
Good. All right. 175 and you're all set. Please accept it. Original charge dismissed. Good luck to you. Have a good day. John Gregory Smallwood, 25B, 149, 428. Good morning, Mr. Smallwood. Your name?
Smallwood?
All right. Did I have, you're gonna hire a lawyer?
Yes,
Okay, you can afford your own?
yes. I'm just requesting adjournment to have.
No problem. So I guess we're gonna do December 3rd again, Lisa?
Yes, 9:45.
Okay, at 9:45. Fair enough?
That's very.
Okay. Any questions?
No, sir, thank you.
All right, you can go right down the hall and we'll give you a paper notice, okay?
Appreciate it.
Best of luck. Thank you. Mr. McCure, you don't have anything in here, do you?
Oh, sure, I just wanted to see you.
Nice.
Saw you on a YouTube,
So Lisa, we're going to end up dismissing the no insurance, which is file C. He's going to plead responsible to distracted driving with accident. That's file A. And then he's also going to plead as charged on the suspend. Mr. Baldwin, good morning. Your name?
Thanks, House Counsel, Michael, D 65417 on behalf of Mr. Blanton.
I don't believe he was ever arraigned. Does he stand mute, wait formal reading?
Yeah, Judge.
And then, as I understand, he's going to plead guilty as charged on the suspend.
A and D.
Well, he's going to plea on distracted driving causing the accident on file A, suspend file B, file C to be dismissed. True?
Yes, no insurance to be dismissed.
Right. Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes, sir.
If you plead the driving on the suspended, the possible penalties are up to 500 fines, 93 days jail. Court costs are all those 2 points. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes.
You're also charged with distracted driving. That's a 0.7 infraction. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights form here today?
Yes, I
If you
did.
plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
To the charge distracted driving, you plead responsible or not responsible.
Responsible.
To the charge driving on a suspended, how do you plead? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Were you operating a motor vehicle October 13 at 25 at 6:02 PM on Western Telegraph in Brownstown? Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes, sir.
Which?
Suspended.
Why?
Oh, Judge.
Because of drunk drivings?
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole right now?
No, sir. In 2008.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
We got victims involved. I'm accepting the plea to suspend, accepting the plea to distracted driving. I'm going to defer the sentence on the. Well, I'll just fine you right now on the distracted. That's fines and costs of $195. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And then we'll set a sentence date. We have to notify the victim since there was an accident. They have the right to come in and seek restitution. I just want you to know that. When are we going to do this, Lisa?
December 3rd at 8:30.
December the 3rd at 8:30. Do I need to have the file taken over to probation for them to notify the victims? Is that what we're doing on these? Remind me.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll take this over, John. Make sure they notify the victim.
Judge, can he have a little bit of time to take?
Pay that by December 3rd. Okay, can you do that?
Yes, sir.
And that's $195.
Just come in.
Well, he'll be here December 3rd. He could just pay that day. So however he wants to do it. Okay? I need some stickers up here, please. Do we have any sticky pads or whatever? Yeah. Oh, here I get.
Right now.
I'm sorry. Would you say, Lisa?
Oh, I'm sorry, Judge. I wasn't muted.
That's okay. Notify. So take this over there, Jen, to probation.
Oh, yes.
And you can pay that by December 3. And if you don't have the money December 3, you just ask for more time when I sentence you on the suspend charge, okay?
Okay.
Good luck. Thank you. Go down the hall and get your new notice. Thanks. Daly, Deborah Jan Daly, 25B149-488A and B. Counsel, good morning again. Your name.
Thanks. Attorney Mike Baldwin, House Counsel for Miss Daly. Miss Daly, when you approach the podium, if you could just please state your full legal name. Thank you. Take your time.
She's going to plead on the suspend. She's going to plead to distracted driving. They're going to dismiss
There's
the,
an added count of distractor.
correct, and they're going to dismiss the original charge, disobey traffic signal, right?
Yes.
Is that what you want to do, ma'am? If you plead guilty here to the suspend, the possible penalties again are up to 500 fines, 93 days jail, costs for all those 2 points. If you plead on the distracted driving, that's 0 points. You understand that?
Yeah.
And then if you plead on those, I'm going to dismiss the count to disobey a traffic signal. Do you understand that? I can't hear you.
Yeah.
Did you sign the advice of rights and read and understand the rights here today?
Yeah.
You got to keep your voice up.
Yeah, I do.
If you plead guilty, you're going to be giving up all those rights and we're not going to have a trial. Do you understand that? To the charge to drive while suspended, how do you plead?
Guilty.
No.
Were you operating a motor vehicle on Gibraltar near Fort in Brownstown, September 20th, 25 at 12:14 p.m.?
Yeah.
Was your license suspended?
Yeah.
Are you on probation or parole? Was that revoked too?
Yes.
Why is everybody running on revoked licenses? Anybody force you to plead guilty? Are you on probation or parole right now?
Judge, this is an accident as well.
I know, so I have to order restitution on this one, or at least notify the victims.
One of them's a hit and run. I don't know, there's no information as to who that person was.
All right, sentencing date, I'm gonna accept your plea, and again, to the charge distracted driving, do you plead responsible or not responsible? I'll set a sentencing date. We're gonna do the 3rd again, Lisa.
Yes, 8:30.
At 8:30 in the morning. We have to notify the victims on this one too, John. So tell them that, ma'am, I'll just defer the defer the sentence on the other case. We'll set that sentencing on the distracted. Sentencing on that case will be December the 3rd at 8:30. Do you understand that, ma'am? I wish you well. Good luck.
He's not gonna impose anything. He's gonna wait and do it all at the same time.
Okay? Public expense. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Would you like an attorney?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can go out in the hallway. Just be patient.
This is one of the most serious moments in the entire docket. A breathalyzer reading of 0.24 is nearly 3 times the legal limit, territory that often leads to mandatory jail time, license revocation, and long-term consequences. Yet here, the defense negotiates a reduced impaired driving plea, avoiding a super drunk conviction. That's not luck, that's legal strategy. The judge makes it clear. This deal still carries real penalties, strict bond conditions, and zero tolerance moving forward. Do you think this outcome was fair, or should extreme back levels always carry harsher punishment?
You got a lot going on. Okay, so if you can go out there and I will have him set you up with a lawyer, okay? Either way, you're coming back in front of me. Good morning, you're charged with unsafe load. You have the right to an attorney. Would you like one?
No.
I'll go ahead and arraign you and then I'll let you go talk to the prosecutor, okay? It is alleged that on October 29 of 25 that you did operate a motor vehicle on I-75 northbound near Vreeland in the township of Brownstown at 8:59 p.m. They think you had an unsafe or improper load that is misdemeanor, punishable by up to $500 fines, 90 days jail costs for all of those penalties. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Did you sign an advice of rights?
Yes.
Did you read it and understand it?
Yes.
You plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we're not gonna have a trial. You understand that? All right, you still wish to waive your right to a lawyer?
Yeah.
I'm entering a not guilty plea. I'll give you a personal bond. You don't have to post any money. $500 personal bond, but you'll owe the people of Brownstown $500. If you violate any of these terms, you cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. You understand all that?
Yes.
All right. Do you have any questions? Go out in the hallway. We'll take it to the township attorney and she will call you in.
Okay.
Thank you. Either way, you're coming back in front of me, okay?
Okay.
Today's courtroom session shows how justice isn't just about punishment. It's about accountability, discretion, and legal process. We saw defendants facing everything from missed court dates and suspended licenses to serious DUI charges, with outcomes shaped by preparation, honesty, and legal representation. The judge balanced firmness with fairness, deferring sentences where victims must be notified and imposing strict conditions to prevent repeat offenses. Backhand index pointing right if you found this case as shocking as we did. Hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.